Hi friends, if you are in plan for making a website for industrial and industry related activities, this video is for you. Today I have a very great theme called SmartX. This is a specifically industrial WordPress theme which also brings WooCommerce support with it. SmartX is a feature-rich, complex yet easy to use industrial WordPress theme with super flexibility, amazing eye-catching animation, fully responsive and unique design. This theme has feature to create unlimited pages, headers, footers, mega menu in minutes. If we talk about the demo website, this is the demo website of SmartX WordPress theme, which brings a stunning look with it and has all the features related to industry website, and it has a very clear and to the point look with it, and you can check the features as well. It has great features, of course, and you can choose this theme for your industry related website, of course, and it is going to be a good catch for you. In this video we are going to install SmartX WordPress theme, and we will also import the demo content, preview the theme options and the customizations option. So let us begin the installation. For this I have a fresh installation of WordPress in which 2021 WordPress theme is installed in the latest version of WordPress, and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I have demos, licensing, some plugins, Visual Composer and Wrap Slider has been given, SmartX theme itself, child theme, some snippets, changelog and manual, main theme pack and the child theme pack. To install the SmartX theme, we have to go in the theme section of WordPress, click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose smartx.zip, and if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same file directly in WP content themes folder. I am doing the same, it will save some time, and the theme file size is 18.45 MB. It is moderate size in the WordPress theme, and this theme can be considered as the lightweight theme. Let it be upload first, and once the progress bar turns green with the 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file. And the extraction outcome is this SmartX folder in which we got all the theme components. Folders and files are here. Now we can delete the zip one. It is just consuming the server space, it is not required now. Now go to the theme section again, and now we have SmartX as another theme option. Let us check the details. This is SmartX version 2.9 Y Innova themes, and SmartX industrial WordPress theme is here. Now we can activate it. Upon activation we got an alert that we need to install certain plugins. Let us check what are these plugins. These are the list of plugins. In fact all are required, and I am going to install all the plugins in one go, and If you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugins one by one to avoid errors. And if you are in plan of making hosting with the WP themes, you shall be getting the same capacity server. And now activate the installed plugins. Now all the plugins has been installed and activated along with the theme. Now we can check our website how it looks with the theme and plugin, of course. This is the basic look of SmartX WordPress theme, and it is without any demo content or any other content. So at this stage we need to have demo content to make website like this. This is going to be our target website, and now we shall proceed towards importing the demo content. Oh, somehow when you reach on this screen, just delete this portion and hit on enter. You will be back on the dashboard, and I'll show you all these options what we got additional with the theme. Let us first complete the demo website, and under appearance there is a button called import demo data, and this will help us in completing the demo import process. Just check the server core vitals, it should be very clear and it should be compatible. And now just click on import demo data. Now importing demo data has been started, and it may take up to 10 minutes as it is written over here, and we have to be here on this screen without any refresh or leaving this page. Just patience is required on this screen, something going to be good, and you will reach on this screen. That's it, all done. When the demo content gets completed, and now we can recheck our website, and yes, here is loading our good website. And it came with all the demo images with it, and we have nothing to do much on it. Just we need to replace our original content and the website will be good to go. And it is really a wonderful look website, and it is using very clear Ajax feature and slider styles to showcase the content, and it is really good. In fact, such website really becomes both successful in the segment. And now we can check the pages as well. This is about us page, and is of course good, no doubt in it, and it has very specific look. I must tell you, such websites are rare which focus on content display, and it is wonderful. And now we can check other page like services. This is the services page. So we have done a very good activity in this video, and we have successfully installed the SmartX WordPress theme. Now we can check the theme options, what we got additional in the installation. These are some additional options like mega menu, footers, headers, title sections, and I will go to the theme options. theme setting is here. And this is the theme options available. Some basic options are here because it does not needs much feature to set, and we can of course manage the colors. So yellow color can be changed in our desired color. Links hover color are here. Layout setting can be done. Header settings are here, and there are much more settings. That is fine. And CSS settings are here, effects, typography, forms, blog, project settings, shop, and import export. These are the settings available with the theme, and these are the enough settings. And now I'll show you how to edit any page. Let us assume we need to edit the home page itself. Just open that page which you want to edit and click on edit page. And this theme uses WP Bakery Visual Composer, so we can edit with the Visual Composer. And backend Visual Composer Visual Editor is here, and it is simple to edit. Just click on the pencil icon which you want to edit, and you will be fine to edit the contents, text and images like this. And I will rather advise you to take a backup of this page, like using an induplicator plugin, and then start editing. At least for home page it is applicable, so that if you made any mistake you can use the backup page. And it is simple to use. Even a non-technical person can do this easily. So nothing to so much about this here. And of course you may have some questions about this theme installation and editing, customization, etc. So feel free to get in touch with me in the comment section of this video, and I am also going to give the link of my website where you can get this theme on a very reasonable price along with the hosting. And I assume you have already subscribed this channel. If not, just ring the bell and subscribe the channel. I am going to bring wonderful videos, utilities and plugins for you. Thanks for watching.